YT. Y. YT. I fully understand.
Ito lang. Hindi lumabas yung boarding pass out of paper. So magre-reprint na lang kami. Ang tingin.
Hindi alam ko.
Oh. Thank you. For international passenger, immigration na kami sa domestic. Ayun, domestic. Going to
Bali. We're going to Bali.
yeah, we're going to
Hi! Mabuhay!
welcome to Cebu Pacific.
Cebu Pacific na palagi.
Nandito kami ngayon sa Naiya Terminal 3. May flight kami going to Dumaguete.
Bali.
Dumaguete.
Bali.
Dumaguete. So actually ang pupuntahan talaga namin sa Siquijor. Wala kasing airport sa Siquijor, kaya through Dumaguete airport kami din sasakay ng ferry. So,
And good. And good.
supposedly dapat ang flight talaga namin is tomorrow, February 17 at 5:30 AM. Kaso binago ni Cebu Pacific yung first change niya without our permission or knowledge. Basta nag-email lang na nabago yung flight namin. Then may option kami na mamili. So ang napili namin is yung may layover sa Cebu. Same time pero may layover. Almost the same time pero may layover ng 5 hours sa Cebu. So ginood naman namin yun. Pero after 2 or 3 days, nag-email na naman ulit si Cebu Pacific na nabago yung flight. So no choice na kami kundi mag-flight a day before, which is today, February 16 instead of February 17. So ang flight namin is 8 PM. Time check today is
6:21 PM.
6:21 PM. Sana on time yung airplane. So 1 hour siguro magbo-boarding na kami. So pambay lang muna dito, hanap ng makakainan. Sheila.
Yung tamang lipad.
To tighten. When outside the aircraft, pull inflation tags to inflate vest. Manual inflation is done by means of the red tubes.
Sure that your electronic devices must be set to silent mode.
Welcome to Dumaguete.
Hi!
Land of the...
Thailand!
Welcome to Thailand. Welcome to Dumaguete. Kaya sinakyan namin, Cebu Pacific Flight 5J629. And ito yung terminal. Hello, we're now here at the arrival area of Dumaguete Airport. So nag-depart yung plane sa NAIA at around 8:30 p.m. Then nag-land siya ng 9:30 p.m. It took only 1 hour. Supposedly 8 p.m. yung flight niya, yung pinaka-departure. Smooth naman yung biyahe, mabilis. So ang weather, walang ulan, medyo gabi na. So iba, naghihintay sa mga baggage counter nila. CR lang si Mrs. Cruz. After this, sakay kami ng tricycle, grab trike papunta doon sa accommodation namin for the night. Then the next morning na yung ferry namin papunta sa Siquijor. Welcome to Breeze Space. It's Rachel. Dito muna kami magstay for a night. Then the next morning, check out na rin. Then magpe-ferry na kami to Siquijor. Oh, nice. Valentine's, oh.
Ma'am, ito po yung ano namin coffee area. And then yung CR po, dito po sa may side. Ay, ito po yung key. Ay, ito po.
Nag-down payment ako ng half the price, yung 300 pesos. Then, settle ko ngayon yung remaining balance namin na 300 pesos. So, ito yung Breeze Space. Pasok na kami. Ito yung binigay sa amin na room. Yung room 3 occupied eh. So, room 2 kami. Provided naman yung aircon. Standard naman yan sa mga accommodation. Made of wood naman yung door niya. Then yan si Mrs. Cruz. Mukhang namang problema sa aircon. So working naman yung aircon. So maliit na room lang siya, around 10 square meters siguro ito. May dalawang unan, semi-double bed, with lampshade, with mirror, may small cabinet naman, may table, then a little bit of a chair. So reasonable naman yung price niya for 600 pesos. Good for 1 day stay na yun. So check-in time is 2 p.m. then check-out is 12 noon the following day. Meron naman sila dito mga power outlet. Meron din sa baba. Kaso hindi siya nag-work. Yung pillow. Makapal naman yung pillow niya. And meron naman kumot. So, maliit lang talaga siya. Good for short time na sleep lang. Good for overnight lang. So, for the meantime, mamahinga muna kami. Welcome to Breeze Space, Mrs. Cruz. Tulog na tayo. So it's time for us to take a rest. And see you all tomorrow naman. Thank you for watching.
I sound really fine. 아무렇지 않은 척 아무도 모르게 조심하는데 또 티가 났나 봐. Sound really fine. 너와 함께 했었던 시간이 길었어. 나 봐. 난 네 옷을 또 보고 있어. Hey, hey, yeah, yeah. I can't control. 잊었다 생각했는데 추억이 잠시 널 떠올린 거야. Still